Hello everyone. I thought I would film for you guys a day in the life video. I did one not too long ago and had so much fun because I haven't done it for a really long time. So I thought I would do another one today because I have a few things I want to work on today. And I thought I would take you along with me. Right now, however, I am so tired. What was the other thing I was going to tell you? Oh, today is also the first day that the girls go back to school online. So that should be interesting. So I've got 2 girls in college and 1 girl in 9th grade of high school. So they are all starting back today after, let's see, well, the high school or the college girls have been off actually for 3 weeks. 2 weeks? Maybe 3.5 weeks. 2.5 weeks. I'm sorry, 2.5 weeks. And Zoe, the 9th grader, has been off for 2 weeks. So yeah, it'll be nice for them to actually have like some stuff that they actually have to get done, and get them a little, something to work on because they're starting to go a little stir crazy. But although it has been pretty good, actually, things have been going pretty smoothly around here. I've been working my buns off trying to get a whole bunch of stuff done around the house, and I think everyone is doing the same sort of thing. But it just seems like even though the harder I work, I am still just not getting ahead. Because I guess I'm working hard, but at the same time, I'm being kind of lazy. You know what I mean? I'm taking the time to be lazy also, which is so nice because I don't normally get to do that. So I feel like I've got a good mix of things going on. Now, if I work from sun up to sundown, I could probably get a whole lot more done, but what's the rush, I guess. So yeah. So let's see, what do I need to get done today? I'm looking at my calendar here. I can't even read it. It's getting so bad. Oh, I need to do an edit. I need to edit a video that'll probably be up next or later this week. I'm thinking probably Friday. So for today's project, for my channel anyways, I need to edit a video for like Friday, I think, and then start getting a handle on my thrift store Thursday because I'm doing a Q&A this week, and that'll take a little longer than normal. Also, my husband has asked for a haircut, so I need to do that today. I should probably do some laundry, and I also want to... Oh, I'm so sorry. I cannot stop, like, yawning. I also want to start working, or planning anyways, a plate rack. I have been wanting a plate rack in my dining room for a really long time. There isn't enough room in there to do like a sidebar or sideboard or anything like that. So I thought what I could do is do a, just kind of like a long, narrow-ish, a longer than normal plate rack. Well, that was the plan. There I go again. So that was the plan. It's been in the back of my mind probably for over a year. I think I wanted to do it. My plan was to do it last summer, but I never got a chance to do it. So I was on Pinterest the other day and I saw something that I like even better. It's still a plate rack, but it looks more like a shelf, if that makes sense. So it looks pretty easy to build. I'm pretty sure that I can handle it. So I just need to figure out, like, I need to do some measurements. So I need to get that done so then when I go out to the stores, I'm assuming I'm going to go out shopping. I'm planning to go out shopping on Wednesday. So I'm kind of starting to get my list together for that. Because it's been like 2.5 weeks since I was out, like, to do a real grocery shopping or so. So I'm going to do that on Wednesday, and then I don't want to have to go out again for another 2 weeks or so. So I really need to think things through so that I'm not like having to go back out again. But anyways, I want to get to the lumber yard. Anyways, I want to go get some wood picked up for that project because I would really love to get working on that. That would be awesome to get that done. So those are kind of my tentative plans for today. After my nap, of course. I need a nap very badly. Oh, one other thing I wanted to tell you guys is I found a new Instagram account to follow. She's an absolute gorgeous decorator, and I absolutely love her her photos. She uses a lot of vintage stuff. Her style's a little more full and lush, I guess you would say, than mine, which is a little bit more simplified version of decorating, but I still just absolutely love her stuff, and the way she puts together displays is really interesting and I find very inspiring. So let me pull up her account here and I'll let you see what it is. So I don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not, but here is the name of the account. And she has an absolute beautiful feed. Let me see here. I'll show you what I mean. It's just gorgeous. You got bunny stuff going on. Look at that cabinet. Oh, all that white dishes. And look at this. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love it. So anyways, if you have not been over to her account yet, come check it out. Here's the, here's the name again. She is pretty awesome. So anyways, go check out her Instagram. I think you will like it. So I wanted to show you this. Jo did this project the other day. She has a wood burner, and this is like the first thing she's done in probably, I don't know, 6 months or so. But look how good that is. Oh my goodness. I was really shocked. She made robin birds. Those are supposed to be robin birds, but she hasn't added any paint yet. But I am liking it. I think it looks really cool. She did a really good job on it. So I just thought I would share that with you. Because seriously, this girl's talent just blows me away most days. It's amazing.
Hello.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Did you already do your video for today?
Huh?
Here for your friends?
Not all of it.
So what did you get done so far?
That.
Oh, wow.
I can't decide if I want to actually do like a stop sign and like a road work ahead sign, which is what that was going to be.
Yeah.
Because I'm not sure I'm going to do the letters right.
So do things that don't have letters.
I know.
Just like...
But I definitely know I want to do a stop sign.
Okay.
Which will be kind of hard. But like...
I think I have stencils downstairs in my drawer.
Can you do that for me?
I can tell you where they are. I'm not going down there. But they might be too big for that right there.
Do you like it though?
I do. I think it's cool.
I messed up with some graphite and it's too hard to cover, so I'm just leaving it. But...
So Zoe has this little refrigerator.
Fridge.
And then she's painted the top here. She's going to do a whole bunch of different like signs. Which is pretty cool. I like it. Wow. You use Emily's paints?
Yeah.
Nice.
I did
Are you bored, Rima? You look a little bored. Did you fall down? Are you tired? Do you need assistance? Rima, what you doing? Your tail's wagging. Oh, you need a belly rub? Is that what's happening? Is that what's happening? You're too cute. You're too cute. So today has pretty much flown by, and I haven't really gotten anything done. I can't remember what I said I wanted to get done earlier today, but I just sort of been like roaming around the house, kind of like working on things here and there. I kind of work on things for a little bit, and then I'm like lazy for a little bit, and then I work on it for things for a little bit, and then I'm lazy for a little bit while, a little bit longer. It's just weird. I'm like in this weird, I don't know. I want to get things done, but yet I want to be lazy feeling. If that makes any sense whatsoever. But anyways, I did manage to get a few things recorded today, so that's good to be able to share with you guys. But the most exciting thing that I have got going on right now is in a little bit, I am going to be meeting up with two of my friends here on YouTube, Nicole and Jamie from Border Bananas, and Nicole is from Nicole North Garden. We're going to get together and do a Snapchat. We've done one other Snapchat before, but this one is going to be more exciting because we can't get together anymore, right now anyways. And we decided to get together, do a little Snapchat and crafting session at the same time. So this is going to be so much fun. I am so excited about this, and I know they are too. So I'm so excited. We're going to attempt to do a little bit of recording so you guys can see what we're up to, and I know that they will be sharing that as well on their channels, probably tomorrow when we upload, if not the next day. I'm not quite sure when they're uploading at this point and when I'm uploading at this point, but be on the lookout for a day in the life video from them, because it'll probably be included in that, because that is what I'm doing too. But anyways, yeah, I'm so excited. This is going to be so much fun. I don't even know what I'm going to craft right now. Probably what I'll end up doing is just painting some frames. I don't know how much crafting we're actually going to get done, because we haven't been together. It's been like a month, maybe a month and a half since we've gotten together. So I'm thinking there's just going to be mostly chatting going on, maybe not quite so much crafting this time around. So if it goes well, I'm hoping that this is something that we can do once a week, because it is kind of fun to get together with friends, of course, and it's a little difficult to do it when we're supposed to be staying at home. So this is a good alternative, and I'm very excited. I hope it will work out well. So we shall see how it goes, and I'll take you along with me. I've got about, I don't know, I think I've got about a half hour before I have to be down there and set up. So I need to go get myself set up down there and figure out what I'm actually going to work on. Like I said, I'll most likely be painting frames, because I'm working on getting stuff gathered up and created to redo my craft area downstairs. So that is one project that I need to get done for that, so that I can frame up all these cutesy little things that I have been collecting to put up down there. So that would be a very good thing to get done. So that's most likely what I will be working on, if I can find enough frames in the next half hour. All right, I will check in with you later. All right, so it is time. Actually, I'm a little late. I'm running a little behind. Of course, once I have something scheduled, people are all up in my business, needing me to do stuff. But anyways, I'm only like about 5 minutes late. It's time to meet up with Jamie and Nicole, and I'm so excited. So I'm going to go down to my craft area and get hooked up with them, and hopefully I can record some of it. So let's go see what I can figure out. So excited!